Hello friend, welcome to my channel Technical Hakim. Today in this video we will know how to set hostname in Juniper Junos devices, and also we will know how to set login messages or login banner in Junos devices. So let's begin the video without any delay. So I will log in to one of the Junos devices here. So here I have logged into one of the Junos Juniper devices. It's EX series 2300 model Junos device. So we will know how to set the host name in Junos device. We need to go in configuration mode. So we will issue set system. If you don't know the further command, issue helper command. You can just put question mark and issue the command which you want. So here you can see the host name. So we will be setting the host name, and whatever host name you want to keep, just type the name. So now let's check what things has been added. Here you can see one of the command has been issued, host name technical Hakim switch 1. So until and unless we issue the commit command, the command won't be executed. In Junos, to save the configuration, we issue commit command. So I'll commit. So here you can see the host name of the switch has been changed from ABC switch to technical Hakim switch 1. So in this way we can set the host name in Junos devices. So now we will know how to set login message or login banner in Juniper or in this device. So for that we will issue set system login, and you can issue question mark, set system login message, and now enter the message which you want to prompt when logging into the device. So I write so let's verify what things we are reading. So here you can see the message, hi, welcome to technical Hakim, we are adding into the device. So now we will issue commit command in order to save the configuration. So now let's check whether the message pops out or not during the login. So the host name has already been set, and we will now check the login banner or message. So for that we need to begin from the login session. Here you can see this is the login message, hi, welcome to the technical Hakim. In this way friend, we can set hostname and login messages or banner in Juniper Junos devices. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is relevant, useful, then do drop down your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.